So today we are going to be playing
Hello.
Life in Paradise with Tonk.
That's not my language anymore. That's only on that.
Okay, Amelia. Yeah, so that is what we will be doing today. We're going to be getting our strollers out, trapping AFK people in the jail cell, because you see the jail over there? That's what we're going to be trapping them with.
Where's the jail?
It's that big blue thing. Oh, I just fell. Okay. So just go find. They don't have to be AFK. They can just be like weird people.
Okay.
You can literally track anyone you want, or someone that's typing. That works even better.
I left this girl next to the sheep.
Dang.
Which the jail's all over there. Right. She's literally not jumping.
We also have people already in the jail.
You do?
Yeah, we have one person. My brother is helping us with this. Too. He just flies them in. He doesn't even have to go in there.
There's another admin, I don't like it.
There's sushi girl. Well, let me carry her. Like, how horrible of a girl.
Get in.
It's the girl, I think I made the girl leave the game.
Dang it, you got out. Come here.
It's not me. I'll open it.
Yeah, I'll grab him. I got him. Oh, you have to jump up the stairs. Just get ready to trap him. Get him. I got him. Oh, damn it. You got him.
No, I don't.
You had him for like half a second. He keeps on jumping out. He's probably so scared. They're like little green blobs are attacking him. Close it. Yes! We have one. Now you just leave him. And then you get more people. But see, and you want to get people
I
like
love this.
you want to get people like noobs to do that because
Oh my
they
God.
don't know that they can just teleport out.
How is the tricks in there?
Or die. Oh, that dang it, he died. Wait, no he didn't. I don't think that's him. Oh yes, he did die. We're back. And you can get people that are morph marking or whatever.
I got horse. I got horses, so I'm gonna.
You're gonna get a horse.
So I'm gonna go play on my computer.
Okay.
Girls, rules? Are you kidding me? I'll kill you. I will literally murder you.
She's jumping. Oh wait, no.
How do you feel about that?
So
I'm gonna get a car because a car is actually two-seater. So I can just run over them. The police car is not any other car. It's just a police car. So you can just. I can't drive. Why can't I drive? I should be able to drive. Oh my gosh! I think I'm. Am I under the car? Where am I? I'm stuck. That's what I am.
okay.
Oh, never mind. I'm not. Perfect. I'm with that car. No, I'm here. Yeah. Okay. Why do I keep on getting stuck in the back seat? I don't want the back seat. I want the front seat. Give me the front seat. The snake can't. Or actually, it's not a snake. It's supposed to be a snake, but it's not a snake. It's a gray blob. Help. I'm stuck. Here, I'm going. If you ever get stuck somewhere, just go to the shop. Oh, and I'm stuck. Okay, never mind. I'm not stuck there.
My roblox is updated, so.
Okay. Here's a no key. Hey, am I in? Apparently snakes can't drive cars. That's what they're trying to tell us. Oh, okay, you can't drive cars, but no, you literally can't. You just get stuck. Oh. Copyright. 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 Brother, get him.
No, he has good songs.
I
I will
know,
murder
but it's
you.
copyright.
How are you invisible?
I'm not. I'm just a green blob, and it matches the grass. Kate, football cheerleader. Wow, very, very nice.
Okay, I'm here. That's fun.
Wow. Kate, football cheerleader, I think is in love. Dang it, come here. How dare you? I run this police station. You hear me? You hear me? I run this police station, not you, Kate, football cheerleader. Go. Get in there. And go in. There, okay. I'll go in so you can trap me, yes. No, I thought I could. Brother, I need your help.
Okay, so I'm about to
Why?
everyone wrong. Because people said that they can't do this thing, and I'm about to prove them wrong.
But they can't drive cars?
No. Something else.
Here, I got it. Wait, no.
People said that.
You have me in your stroller. You do know that.
People said that snakes.
Get out of my stroller.
Fine.
Oh, never mind. I know. That's all.
People said that.
Can you open it for me?
Shut.
Just open it. Just open it for me. Just put the stroller away. You have to put the stroller away.
Hey. I'm
What?
trying to talk.
Yeah? What? What are you trying to say?
People said
Trying to say that what? That what?
you keep interrupting me.
What? I just want you to finish the sentence.
People said, shut it.
Oh, okay. That did make sense.
That snake came out right over it.
Oh, yeah. Multi-purpose. Okay.
Oh yeah, let's go. No. Oh no, they're flying.
No. You're so rude. Yeah, I don't want you. Give me you. Oh, no, I don't want you. I want him. Give me him. I want him.
I just blew up.
Give me him. We're gonna have to change servers every once in a while because then people just all know because we eventually do it to every single person.
I know. It's terrible.
And then they're like, oh no, you've already done that to me.
And they'll figure out a way to get out of it. I'm like, no.
Yeah.
And mine's even worse than yours. So.
Hey, come here. This girl's good. I like wise betters. Or, yeah, wise betters. Oh, that guy just walked in like nothing. Come here. Oh, dang it. No, I'm coming with you. Kill him. Yeah, get him. Get him. Don't kill him. Just get him.
Come on, come on.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck under the car.
This battery lost it.
I need help. Did you do it? Did he trap him in there?
No.
Stop! Oh, thank you. No! Are you serious? Yeah. Smile again. Smile again. Good person. You're smart. Yes.
Are you even here?
Yeah, I'm here. What? Oh!
Don't open it.
She said hi. Okay, just leave her.
I think that's this person.
What's going on? What's there? Why is there just... She's just sticking her heart. Okay. Nope.
This mouse should be able to
Come here.
go
Come here.
through
Give me. Okay. Okay. That's it. No.
I need to reset.
Oh yes, clean. I need to go check on that person. No, trapped in there. I don't know if she's probably not gonna be in there still, but we can try. Big guy. Oh. Oh, she got out. No, the lady just got out.
How?
I don't know.
Let her out.
Oh, I trapped someone.
See, no, that's Kate.
I trapped someone.
I have both of them.
Ha. Yes, I'm a big log and I am going. Oh, he said ha. Lol. Where are you?
I'm by the police station.
You should go to the police station in there because we're making this guy's just hitting it. This thing there. I need you. Okay. Hey, get him back in there. Not me. Okay. I'm gonna have to end the video there. Oh my gosh. Okay.
That was a short video.
I hope you liked this. Please like and subscribe.
Like, no one's gonna do that.
Goodbye.